Hi everybody, so we've come to town because I'm looking for something. And this is what we're after. It's a humming top. Now you're only going to find something like this in a really good traditional toy store like Kids Corner here in Herne Bay where I live. That is what we want. Okay, now we've got our top. We have to get it back to the studio, disassemble it and have a look at the mechanism. I'm pretty sure most people know how this works, but you do that, it spins like crazy. Now if we take this apart, we can have a look at it. When we get it apart, it's only 2 bits of steel, and in there is a slotted washer. This twisted bar pushes through the slotted washer. Because you're holding the bar, of course, all it can do is spin, and spin it does. Now this is the same mechanism that you'll find in twist and pump drills, and this is a really simple mechanism for the heart of this. But there's one other thing that this has that's not immediately obvious, and that is it's a top. So it is also a flywheel. So if we add a flywheel to this twisted bar mechanism, we can make a very simple generator. Of course, I turned to Tinkercad and drew this up, but I didn't draw it up straight from scratch. I actually got some extra bits from other places and made modifications to them because sometimes that's just the easiest thing to do. Now, OT Vinta, and I've used them a couple of times, are doing this spinning top, and at the heart of it is a mechanism that we want, which is right here. It's a ratchet mechanism. So I extracted that mechanism, got rid of the ball top, and created a cage for it to sit in. That cage, I did some of the bits on it, but other bits were available. For instance, these pillars were on Tinkercad, Thingiverse, and I grabbed them from Thingiverse and sized them to what I wanted. And of course, I did the same with these great feet that I just love. Again, they're on Thingiverse, and I just grabbed them and used them. So some bits I've grabbed and used, some bits I've adapted from what's already been done, and some bits I've drawn up myself. Now that's a good way of getting a model off the ground really, really quickly. So it puts together really easily, and that's how it puts together. Now in there is a thrust bearing at 47 by 25, and it sits there because that is the main bit that's going to rotate. You can see it's got holes in it to take the magnets, and that sits nicely on that thrust bearing, so when we spin it, it spins nice and freely. Now the drive mechanism is this clutch plate here, and the only thing to remember is to get these the right way around. When you look at this clutch plate, you'll see a little sort of red projection, and the green projection goes onto the red because that's the way the clutch works. And then drop another identical thrust bearing into the recess in the centre, and then we can put the clutch plate in. And there we go, like that. Now, in order to get that flywheel effect, what I've got here is a 2.5 kilo barbell, and that sits on top there and fits directly on there, and that forms the flywheel portion. Then we can shove the handle in and give it a go. Okay, so I've put a serpentine coil around it, and to make these I put a link at the end of this video to the serpentine coil making video, and then in the carrier what we've got are some 20mm magnets. They're 20mm by 4.5mm, and they are arranged north, south, north, south, north, south. That drops in there. Then we've got a cap that goes on here. That then goes on top there. And our pump handle goes in. Then we have to put that stop on the bottom, because when you pull that up, you don't want to be pulling it out all of the time. So put the stop on the bottom and either glue it or screw it in. Okay, so clearly a child would know how to use this. So I'm going to pump it up and down, and we're going to get a volt reading. And for that, we've got Luke. So easily enough to charge your mobile phone with. Anyway, I put the link to the files in Thingiverse in the description at the bottom. If you like it, please feel free. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.